Yes. So basically there is like two people asking me how I draw traditional art furry head for protogen. So yeah, just follow me by step and you'll know and figure out how to draw one. The sketch technique that I show as a traditional art on paper can also be used on digital art too. First, make a small circle. Then make it like this. This is the visor lining. Now it will look like a number 6. Do the line and make the visor shape. The visor shape, there is three kind of shape for the visor. One is a sharp pointy head upwards, two is a balanced shaping, and three is downwards, shaping with not pointy. You know what I mean. I highly recommend the number 1. Perfect. Now do a circle here. This is for our perspective to know the head shaping to make fluff and thing. Now do this. There's a lot of shape for this. You can just figure out one. Sorry for the focus, bruh. Now do the ear. Do some proof. Now we separate the ear with the inside ear. Do some floof. Do the hair. And there you go. Make another floof. And face. And there you go. You have a protogen furry head. Neatly designed, I guess. For the body, if you want me to make the body part and feet stuff, just tell me in the comments. I don't know.